It's time. The time has come. I have a special announcement. I am moving out of Australia after 5 years. I know, it's a big decision, but hear me out. I just got engaged and we are...
Hello everybody! I'm moving out of Australia!
We have decided that we are moving out because we
are moving!
We want to find stability.
Goodbye Australia!
Yes.
Goodbye!
He's really happy about it, I'm not. But yeah, we want to find stability and try to now start a family, buy a house, all that fun stuff. But here in Australia, the visa situation is just so complicated and we decided that it's not the best place for us. So with that being said, today's video is I'm going to take you on my last day of Australia, just sorting things out, decluttering the house, emptying my apartment, decluttering things. I need to go get a new suitcase, just all that fun stuff. And as well, I do want to visit an opal museum and walk around Melbourne before I leave. So let's get started. We're gonna first get started with decluttering my jewelry box. Fun fact, I found this jewelry box in the middle of the street. It's actually a chocolate box. Came with a super cute organization boxes that I have been using for my jewelry. When it comes to jewelry, I am a cheapskate. I tend to always invest in low quality pieces and end up buying more in the long term as opposed to investing in that would last me a lifetime. And with that being said, I do want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Luisa. They were so kind enough to send me their staple pieces and I wear these, I kid you not, all of the time. So now I'm ready to get rid of the jewelry pieces that no longer serve me and just stick to high quality pieces. This is the first piece that they ever sent to me. Then they sent me my favorite rings in the world. You have to see them. Look how cute. This is a cute little adjustable bracelet. So the benefits with Luisa jewelry is that they are long lasting, they're water resistant, they're actually quite affordable. They start from $39. They're just such a great staple to have. I would highly recommend, and I kid you not, this is the best jewelry I've ever owned. Luisa has actually given me 20% off for all of you who want to get one for your own. So just click on the link below so you can get the 20% off. Alright, let's keep decluttering these. So these were faithful to me. These are nice hoop earrings, but they're starting to tarnish as well. I might keep them, but now I know that I have better hoop earrings, so I might just keep them for good luck. This, I don't really need these. I really need this. This, I don't know if I need anymore. It's just like a cute little ring, but it got a little bit damaged. Thank you. Goodbye. I now have a replacement. I'm also getting my friend a jewelry box from Luisa, and I'm going to give it to her today because it's the last time I'm going to see her. She's going to absolutely love them. I can't wait for you to see when she opens them. Washed and I have no idea where to start. So, okay, Nick, pick a room and I'll start there. Bathroom. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bathroom first. So this is what the bathroom currently looks like. So it's a bit of a mess. It just has a bunch of cleaning products and stuff because... So I'm gonna take you through here and we're just gonna take everything out, I guess. I'm just gonna get my slippers. What do? We just need to take everything out, I guess. So these cotton bud stuff we probably don't need. Okay, this I probably don't need anymore. This I could definitely chuck. This is just random. This is just a brush that I don't need. And then this is gonna go to donation. Like the products that we could take. I like these ones, I'm gonna take with me. These towels, we're gonna donate them. Next, we're gonna just take all of the cleaning products and we're gonna take them outside somewhere. So this is done. Bathroom is officially done. Now we're going to move on to the bedroom, I feel. Let's go to the bedroom. This Okay, so this is the state of the bedroom. I have quite a lot of random stuff in here. I always get emotional when I'm moving, by the way. Like, I just hate throwing things out. And I get really attached to items, and, you know, they cost money, and also they've served me well. Even though I've only been here for a year, I just hate the feeling of having to get rid of things. It's always a bittersweet feeling, but we're doing this to go to better ways, and it's just a sacrifice that we have to make to move on to better things. It's the reality of moving. So I'm now on a mission to get a navy blue Melbourne jumper that's going to be really oversized. Even though I might not wear it in the Thailand where I'm going to go, I'm definitely going to be wearing it in England when it's going to be really cold. Also, I want to visit for the last time an Opal museum, which I've always wanted to go. I always walk by it, and like, I just don't have time for some reason. Last time I left Australia, I really wanted to visit the one in Sydney. So now I'm just gonna go visit the one in Melbourne, just so I could have peace of mind that I actually went to visit it. So I'm gonna bring you along with me. It's nothing special, but I think the real reason is my brother really likes opals, and he always talks about it, so I'm just going in his honor. So let's take the tram for the last time. This is what the trams in Melbourne look like. They're very typical of Melbourne. So we're gonna hop on one in a second. I'll show you a bit of a map of the Melbourne tram in case you're interested. So Melbourne is really famous for their trams, and all of this is the free zone, and we're right about here. The Opal Museum was like whatever, and I went into the thrift shop, not the Australia shop, and all the jumpers were a bit ugly, so I'm gonna go to one more Australia shop, and if I don't like anything, then I'm just gonna go home because I have way too many things to do. This is a little bit of Melbourne CBD for you when it's not a busy day. Alright, mission accomplished. I got my jumper, I got some gifts. Now I'm gonna go back home because it's about to rain and I still have quite a lot to pack. So let's go back home and we'll meet my friend over there as well. Alright, just came back from shopping. I'm gonna give you a haul, even though Nick's gonna kill me. Here, I'll show you what I got. So I got this Australian jumper. I got this cute little Melbourne keychain that I've already showed. Postal code. How cute. Alright, I'm going to prepare a little gift for Karen, my friend. I'm gonna write her a note and I'm gonna decorate her gift, the gift that I'm gonna give her. is it. I'm gonna give this to her as a gift, and I'm just gonna wait until she comes to get me. Alright, these are the last few bits that I need to go through. It's quite a lot, but we'll see if we could minimize it a little bit. Alright, that's the status. It's still quite a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna take a break. I have 4 minutes till I have this like meeting that I have to go to. I'm doing a course, and today is the last meeting that we're having. It's a full day thing, so that's why I tried to do everything that I could before 10 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup quickly, and then I'm gonna log in and I'll do a little bit of the behind the scenes as well. This is the state. Nick's clearing out the stuff. Bathroom is almost done. I just need to pack this Pikachu. I think I'm just gonna hold it with me.
Luke, we got a yes with an exclamation mark. Joseph.
Okay, peeps, we're gonna see if this closes or not. I don't know about this. It is real, man. Alright, this is the final stages. Everything is clean. These are all of our bags that we're somehow gonna bring outside.
Work it, baby.
Alright everyone, that is the end of this video. I thank you so much for watching. At the end, my friend completely loved the jewelry that I gave her. We have matching bracelets now and rings. So if you also want to give your BFF some matching rings and bracelet, you could actually get 20% off your first order with the link in the description below. And you could get fun pieces that are long lasting for the rest of your life with Luisa. If you want more content like this, just drop me a follow and comment below moving if you're also moving, so we could move together. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, apartment. You will be missed. Goodbye, apartment.